With it getting drier outside, we all could use a little extra humidity in our lives. The Dryo humidifier does just that by keeping your space comfortable with a cool, refreshing mist. Whether it's your bedroom, office, or living room, it works quietly in the background so you can relax, sleep, and work without distractions. It even has an essential oil compartment. Just add a few drops of your favorite scent for extra relaxation. It's super easy to use, simple to clean, and fits into any space. Click the link below to add a little humidity into your life.